Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is Ayan this side. Or today we are going to discuss another problem, and the problem name is the linked list cycles. It is LeetCode 141 problem. Like, it is a very easy problem. Okay, so basically what was the question is saying that, like, given head, the head of the linked list determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. Like, there is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously. Okay, like reach again by continuously following the next pointer. So initially position, it is used to denote the index of the node that still next pointer is connect to. So not that position is not passed as a parameter. So return true if a recycle इन अ लिंक लिस्ट अदरवाइज रिटर्न फॉल्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे चेक कर रहे होगे, जस्ट मिनट, आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग इट्स कलर बिकॉज द ब्लैक इज नॉट विजिबल माय स्क्रीन. या, सो दिस कलर इज ओके. Okay, so basically this is the linked list. The node is 3, 2, 0 and 4. Okay, so basically, like, for example, like, this answer is output is true. So why it is true? Because, like, it is the like recycle. Just like, if just for example, it is the linked list cycle. So why it linked list cycle? Because, like, it is 2, 0, 4. So like this is 3, for example, this is 3 node, the next node is 2, and the next node is 0, and the next node is 4, and then it is the recycle. Okay, just like, for example, like the 3 next node is 2, 2 next node is 0, 0 next node is -4, then again the 4 next node is 2, 2 next node is 0, and 0 next node is 4. Okay, so it's going continuously. So that's the reason, like, you want to return false. Okay, like in this you see this condition, like, this is just a minute, I'm just rough this. So okay, okay, so you this the next example, like example 2. So like head 1 2. So like, 1 next node is 2, and this is the cycle it. So 2 next node is 1, it is continuously going. So that the reason is return is true. But in the next condition, for example, this is 1, so 1 is not a recycle, so you want to return false. So basically, in your mind, I know you, in your mind you got a mind how to solve this problem. So basically, like, I'm just explain the approach. Okay, then after it you try it. I am also write the code, but firstly you try it and write the code. Okay, so for example, like, I'm just taking the example 1. Okay, so firstly, like, this is 3, and the next node is 2, and the next node is 0, and the next node is -4. Okay, so firstly, like, I'm just taking the two, I'm using the, like, slow and fast. For example, this is slow and this is fast. Okay, so like this is recycle it. After 4, the next node is 2. Okay, the problem is saying that. So firstly, I am just taking slow fast, and then slow is slow dot next, and fast time increase 2 times, like fast dot next dot next. I'm just a minute, I'm just like rough it. Okay, so like, this is slow and this is fast. Okay, so I'm just like slow is taking like 1 time and fast is this. In the next line the slow is this and the fast is 2. In the another line the fast is this and the slow is this. So you see this line, the fast and slow, it is equal. So you want to simply return true. It is not equal, so you want to simply return false. So basically that's the problem. So I hope you understand very well. Okay, so like, just a minute, I'm just writing the code so you understand very well. Okay, yeah, so just I'm just writing the code. So firstly, like, I'm just creating the node, like, link list node. So like, I'm just taking like fast is head, and then like list node, slow is also head. Okay, then after it I am using the loop, like fast is not equals to null, and the next condition is that fast dot next is not equals to null. Okay, basically that's the condition. So like fast will be increase the two node, like fast equals to fast dot next. Okay, and then like slow is slow dot next. So like I'm just using the condition like if fast and slow it is equal, so I want to return true, otherwise not. So I'm just checking like fast is equal slow, so I simply return true. Otherwise, like for example it is not true, and then this condition is false, like fast is not equals to null and fast dot next is not equals to null, so that's the reason this loop is working, otherwise this loop is not working. So simply return false. Okay, so basically I run this code. I hope this code is working fine, not give any error. Okay, so three test cases is clear. I try to submit this code. Okay, so it's totally submitted. I'm just explain again. So firstly like just a minute, just like okay, yeah. So basically like I am just checking like this node, so the third next node is 2 and next node is 0, and 0 the next node is -4. Then after that the 4 next node is 2. So this work again and again, so like it is the recycle. So for not a recycle, it is a cycle linked list. So for example I am just taking the 3 is slow and fast, so slow be increase like one index and then fast will be like this. Okay, it is the like one skip the node. Okay, so after that slow this and then fast it is like 0, so 4 is skip, then another is 2, so this is fast, and then slow this again and thus fast this again. So when it is equal slow and fast, you simply return true. Otherwise like this condition is false, like fast is not equal to null and fast dot next is not equal to null, so this loop is not working, so you simply return is false. So I hope you understand very well. You, if you have any doubt of any line of code, yeah, any line of problem, so please comment on this video. Okay, so thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.